morning everyone. This is B. Nagamathireddy. I am teaching social studies in Akshara English Medium School, C. Belagal. Today's social activity topic is preamble of our Indian Constitution. అంటే భారత రాజ్యాంగంలోని రాజ్యాంగ పీఠిక గురించి మా విద్యార్థుల మాటల్లో తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ sovereignty.
Sovereignty is the complete power to take decisions on external and internal matters.
Socialism. Social justice is ensured by minimizing social, economic and political inequalities in society.
Secularism. The citizen right to profess and propagate of their preference. The state has no official or the official religions. All religions are equal.
Democracy. The government is convened by the representative is elected by the people.
Republic. The head of the state is